In today's video, I'm going to show you how to brainstorm effectively using Miro, one of the best tools to bring ideas to life. Whether you're working solo or with a team, Miro makes it easy to organize thoughts, spark creativity, and collaborate in real time. Let's begin. Once you're inside Miro, look for the creation toolbar on the left side. Click on templates and you'll see a wide range of brainstorming layouts, from sticky note packs and mind maps to spider diagrams, T-charts and reverse brainstorming templates. Each one is designed to help you generate ideas in different ways. Choose a template that fits your goal and add it to your board. Once it's there, you can move, resize, or edit every element to make it your own. If some parts are locked, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to unlock and customize them. Now comes the fun part, collaboration. Invite your teammates to join the board. Drop their ideas on sticky notes and connect thoughts visually. This is where Miro truly shines, turning brainstorming into a dynamic, interactive experience. You can even mix templates. Start with a mind map for big ideas, then use sticky notes to break them down further. Miro's flexibility lets you shape your session exactly the way you want. And that's it. With Miro's tools and templates, you can brainstorm faster, collaborate smarter, and turn ideas into real plans. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring new ways to make your Miro boards even more creative.